Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In our previous tutorial we had drawn the ground floor plan, first floor plan and a roof plan of a G+1 house. Today we are going to learn how to draw the elevation. So let's start with this tutorial. To draw the elevation, first we'll draw a line here about the ground floor plan. This will be a ground level. Now we'll give offset of 600, that will be a plinth height. From here we'll give offset of 600. Now we'll give the slab height. A slab height will be 3 meter from this plinth level to the top of the slab. So we'll give offset of 3000. And now we'll give the slab thickness, that is 150. Say enter. Now we'll mark these points here. So for that we'll take construction lines, vertical. Now click on this point. We'll have to mark this slab projection. Next we'll take this point. We'll take this parking point. Say enter. Now here at this parking area we'll have to provide 2 columns. For that we'll take rectangle. Take this point. Take dimension. We'll give a column of 300 by 400. Say enter. Now same column we'll take at this point. So for that we'll take mirror command. We'll mirror this. Say enter. Take hatch, solid hatch, and fill this column. Say enter. Now here we'll trim this extra lines. Now we'll mark this point also. We'll mark this column. Take construction lines, vertical, and mark this. We'll have to mark this staircase line also and this veranda. Say enter. Now trim this extra lines. Delete these lines. Now next we'll have to mark these windows. For that again we'll take construction line, vertical, mark this point and this point, again this French door. Say enter. Now here the window size is 1500 by 1500 mm and the French door size is 2500 by 2000. So here for window we'll take sill level. We'll take 900 from plinth, and from here we'll take height of 1500. Say enter. Now trim these lines. We'll take this fence and take this and delete this. Delete these lines also. Now here there is a French door. We'll delete this line. French door height is 2000. So we'll give height from this plinth level. It is 2000. Say enter. Now trim. Take this fence and take this. Delete this. Delete these lines also. Trim all the extra lines, all the unwanted lines. We'll delete these lines also in this slab. Now next, here there is a veranda, so there will be a railing for that veranda. The height of the railing will take 1 meter. So enter. Now trim this and trim this. Delete these lines. So enter. Now here at this veranda, for this veranda and for this parking, we'll provide a canopy. So for that, we'll take an offset. So for that, we'll take offset. We'll take offset of 600 from here to here. And a slab thickness of 150. Say enter. Now from here the offset will be, or the Chhajja projection will be 600. So we'll take projection here. Say enter. We'll take this line, we'll project this line above. Now take a line command, click here and join this. Say enter. Now trim this extra lines, trim this line, this one and this thing. Delete this also, delete this. Now at this side also we'll have to take corner like this. So for that we'll project this line upward. Take offset of 600. Take a line, draw from here to here. Say enter. Now trim these extra lines. Delete these lines. Now here also for this we'll take offset of 600 from here to here and we'll extend these lines. Draw a line from here to here and trim these extra lines. Trim this also. Now here we'll have to show these steps for this main door. For that we'll take construction line, vertical, and mark this. We'll take polyline, start from here. Riser will take 150. Then come to this line, again give a riser of 150. Come to this line, again riser, then again to this point and close it here. Now delete these lines. You will get your steps. Now we'll trim this line because this is a staircase block. Now next we'll show the frames and shutters for this window and this French door. For that we'll take a rectangle and draw a rectangle here. We'll give offset of 75. We'll give offset of 75 to this rectangle. This will be a window frame. Now next we'll show the shutters. For that we'll take offset of 50. Say enter. Now we'll explode this. We'll explode both of this. Now next, take a line command. Draw a line from this midpoint to this midpoint. Give an offset of 50. Say enter. Now trim these extra lines. This will be your window shutter. Now next, come to this French door. Take an offset of 75 to show the frame, French door frame. Trim these extra lines. Now here for this French door we'll have to show 3 shutters. For that we'll take divide command. Select this line and divide this into 3 segments. Say enter. Now take a line command. Now here I can't locate this point. If I put my cursor on these points I can locate it. So for that you go to this object snap. Here there is a node option. Click on this. Now you will be able to locate these points. Click on this and draw a line here. Again draw a line from this point. Now delete these markings. Take an offset of 50 from here to this and from here to here. Now trim. Take a trim command. Trim this. Trim this. Then here and here. Now we'll trim the lower portion of this French door because below there will be railing. Here we'll show the railing. So in those railings we won't be able to see this lower portion of this French door. So take trim option and trim this. So enter. Now here we'll show the railing. First we'll give offset of 100 from top. Now give offset of 50 from here to here. From here we'll give offset of 200. So enter. Again give a offset of 100 from here to here. From here to here we'll give offset of 200 and again we'll give offset of 200 from down. Say enter. Now trim these lines. We are going to make a pattern for railing. Trim these lines. Now delete these extra lines. Now we'll have to provide this pattern of railing along this length. So for that we'll see the length of this line. This length is 4380. Now the total distance required for this one panel is 50 plus 200 plus 50. So total it will be 300. Now this length is 4380. So we'll divide this 4380 by 300 and we'll get 14.6. So total will provide 14 numbers of panels here. So for that take copy command. Select this. Say enter. Take this as the base point. Now here you click on this array. Number of items will give 14. So enter. Now here you click on this fit and click on this point and say enter. Now here this is perfectly fitted in this area. So this is our ground floor. Next we'll draw the first floor. We'll take a reference line here and move this elevation at this point. So enter and delete this reference line. Now here we'll project these points. We'll take construction line vertical and project this line, this point, then this point, then here this open terrace, and we'll see this balcony also, and this staircase block. Say enter. Now give offset of 3000, that is our slab height from here to here, and again we'll give offset of 150 downwards, that is our slab. Take a line and join this. This is our chhajja projection. Now trim these extra lines. Now this is our staircase block, and above this slab we'll have to show the headroom. For that we'll take offset of 1500, the height of the headroom, and this slab projection or the slab thickness, that is 150. Say enter. Delete these lines. Now here we'll give offset of 300 as the chhajja projection for this headroom, and trim this. Trim these lines also. Delete these lines. Now next we'll delete these lines. Trim this. Trim this also. Now here we'll show the railing of this open terrace. For that we'll take offset of 1 meter from here to here. So enter. Now trim this line. Trim this also. Trim this line. Show the chhajja from this point of 600. Extend these lines and trim this. Trim this also. We'll have to show this wall of this balcony. Now trim this line and this line that we can see, and delete this and delete this. Now next here you see, if you see in this roof plane, this side, this half portion is sloping slab. So here this part will be a sloping slab. So here we'll have to show that slope. So for that we'll have to take an offset here. The slope we'll have to show here, that is 1200 from here to here. Say enter. Now project this line. Take construction line vertical and project this wall. So enter. Now next trim these lines. Take a line command and draw a line from here to here and say enter. Now give an offset of slab thickness from here to here. So enter. Now at the both side we'll have to show the chhajja projection. For that again take offset command and offset this by 600 and this by 600 and extend these lines till these two lines. Extend both these lines and delete this and trim these lines. Trim this. Now delete this line, delete this and delete this. Now here this is our staircase block and there is no slab, so we'll take join command and join these lines. Again join these lines and trim this because there is no slab here. Now next we'll have to show these windows. Take construction line, vertical, and show this point and these 2 points. Say enter. Now this window and the window on the ground floor is similar, so we'll copy this ground floor window. For that we'll take copy command, select this, take this as a base point and click here. You will get this window here. Delete these lines. Now next we'll have to show this window. For that we'll take a line command. We'll draw a line from here and a line from here. Now trim these extra lines and trim this also. Delete this and delete this. Now we'll show the frame. Take offset of 75. Take offset of this. Now we'll show the frame. For that we'll take rectangle command. Start from here and take it till here. Now give an offset of 75. Explode this rectangle and divide this line into 3 segments because this window will have 3 shutters. We'll divide this line in 3 segments. Now take a line command, draw a line here, again draw a line here, give offset of 50. To all these lines. Now delete these markings. Now delete these extra lines. Enter. Now this is our window. Now we'll show the railings for this open terrace. So we'll copy one panel from this railing, take this as a base point and click it here. Here you give offset of 100 from top. Now again here we'll check this distance. This is 3500. Now this single panel will require 300 as we seen last time. So we'll calculate this. This is 3500 divided by 300. So we'll get 11.6 panels. We'll take 11. Take copy command. Select this panel, say enter, take this as a base point, click on this array, items will give 11, enter. Now click on this fit and click here and say enter. Delete this. Now this is your railing. Now next we'll show this parapet wall here at the terrace. So give offset. Now next we'll show the parapet wall for this open. Now next we'll show the parapet wall at this flat slab. For that we'll take offset of 800. Say enter and give an offset of this line and this line, and take a line and draw a line here. Now this is our parapet wall. Next we'll hatch this staircase block. We'll take hatch command. Now here we'll take a brick pattern. Now click here, and here we'll change the scale to 30. So enter, and here you'll get this pattern for your staircase block. For this parapet wall we'll provide railing. We'll take offset of 100 to this line and to this line. Now we'll give offset of 200 to this line and again 100. Now trim these lines, trim these extra lines. And array this. Take copy command. So enter. Take this as a base point. Click on array. Now your items will randomly give 15. Say enter and click on this fit and click here. Same thing we'll do here, or we can just copy this. We'll copy this and paste it here. So here we have provided railing for our parapet wall. So this is our elevation. We'll type here. We'll take this multi-line text and we'll type here elevation. Increase the text height. Now this is our front elevation of this house. In our next tutorial we are going to learn how to draw the side elevation. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.